Wildfire season has arrived in Green Country. So far, this season has been merciless on local fire crews.
It's going to last for us till the grass gets green.
The National Guard and Forestry Service are working with local crews from the Keystone Lake area to protect homes from the wind-fueled fires that are spreading across that area. To the west, Tulsa fire crews are working to contain a large blaze at Turkey Mountain. After 2 days on scene, crews are gaining ground.
As you can see behind me, it's still burning a little bit, but it has nowhere to go to the north except for towards the pond.
In Okmulgee County, rural fire crews pool their resources to battle fire after fire in rocky and rugged terrain.
Help one another, because eventually it's going to be your turn that needs the help.
No one is happier to see the teamwork than the families whose homes are in the path of the wildfires.
All over here, this went up within about 5 minutes. It done went plumb across this pasture. So it was pretty hectic.
Near the town of Nyucka, crews have been battling wildfires in the same area for the past 4 days. Just when they think the fire is out, embers carried in the wind spark new fires. That, coupled with people violating the county's burn ban, are making it tough for them.
It all goes back to common sense. You know, if it's windy outside, don't burn. If you know it's going to be windy tomorrow, don't burn at night, you know, brush piles, because that's where a lot of it starts, is people burning trash, brush piles and stuff.